Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your purchases on Roblox. Okay, first of all guys, you can visit this Roblox website, roblox.com, because we won't be able to see or to find our purchases on Roblox app. So you need to visit the website. And after that, you're going to click on this Roblox icon on the top right corner. Click on this icon and then you will see my transactions option here. Tap on that and here you will filter the type of the transaction. You can select purchases. Alright, and you will find the purchases here. As you can see, these are my purchases on Roblox. I purchased private server and then run faster and VIP pass. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find your purchases on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.